You can also use this automation to sell it for repair shops or just some businesses that are arranging a lot of items and they have to know where all of the items are. You can imagine what kind of businesses can need this type of automation, and you can straight away repurpose and sell it.
Let me check and demonstrate it. Let me just mark this row, go to Telegram and say I have taken the working keyboards from the box where they were with the PC power supply. Let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, as you can see, it taken out. Let me say, oh, I'm returning them because I'm not gonna use them. Let's see if it's gonna add them there as well. Okay, as you can see, it updated and added there again.
And this is why I made this automation. So we have to arrange them inside. We have to know everything, where we are putting them, what we have in these boxes, and what kind of tools or items we have. In the end of the day, we're gonna have all of them in the Google Sheet with the photos, and we can search them using our Telegram agent.
Today we have to arrange my father's shed. We have to arrange them in a way that we're gonna know after that where are the bolts and screws, all the tools, etc. And I want to make an automation just real quick. We're gonna make a photo, just write where we are putting this from Telegram, and it's gonna upload it to our Google Drive folder, put it to a Google Sheet. Then whenever we have to find, for example, an HDMI cable or display port, we're just gonna ask this Telegram agent. It's gonna go and check in the Google Sheet where they are, and it's gonna send us the location of the items, and it's gonna show us the photo that we take. So we're gonna know where to find them. And let's start building the automation just real quick because they are waiting for me. Okay, what we're gonna need now, we're gonna need Telegram on message. We have to create a new bot. Let me create a new bot. We have to go to Telegram, find bot father, and on bot father we have to create new bot. Just say dash new bot. I'm gonna call it shedbot and shedbot again. So we're gonna get this API token, come here, create new credential, put the token, and I'm gonna create Gems Shed Bot, save. Okay, it will work, and we're gonna say not only on message, but on everything, all updates, because we can send media as well. Download images. So when we send, let's send the image and test it, execute it, and now I'm gonna send. Okay, we have item, we have our item, and we have our message as well, caption. And now what we want to do is we're gonna make a folder in Google Drive, and you're gonna upload the file. Let me go to Google Drive and make a folder. I made a folder gems shed items in my Google Drive, and now let's upload the file there. You're gonna put this data file name is gonna just put it as a file 0, whatever it is. Okay, we're gonna upload the file. Let me create one Google Sheet as well inside it. So come here, Google Sheet, new sheet. It's gonna be gems items sheet, and here gonna be item, place, and photo URL. Okay, we're gonna put the item here, what it is, where it is stored, and photo URL. Then let's upload the file. So I can pin the message now, because when I pin the message, if the file is here, it's gonna remove it. So I can't pin big files. Okay, we've got our file now. It has to be uploaded here. Let me refresh. Oh no, I didn't choose a folder. Let me choose a folder. Gems shed items. Okay, let's upload again. As you can see, when it's pinned, I cannot upload it, so I have to send it again. Okay, we have it now. We have the file. Let's go one AI agent here, and I'm gonna put the prompt. I'm gonna put the caption in order to. So I'm gonna put the caption here. What user says, what it is, and where it is stored. So this is what we're gonna input as a user, our caption. The AI agent is gonna take it, and let's say your helpful assistant helping the user arrange its items in the shed and sort them properly. Output the items and the place in a JSON format. And we're gonna give the JSON format 2 curly brackets. We're gonna put one item items just like this, comma, second item is gonna be place, this, and that's it. We're gonna get this in structure output parser. We have to put the items, what kind of output we want to see. We're gonna use, let's say, Gemini 2.5 Flash because it's gonna be free. And from this AI agent now, we're gonna put them into the sheet. Google Sheet, append a row in sheet. Okay, let me choose the sheet now. I have to just log in again for my credentials. Just put your credentials in, and now gem sheet, sheet 1, and map each column. We're gonna map each column now. Let's see how it's gonna go. Item movies under the big shelf on the right side. Okay, items we're gonna put there, place we're gonna put here, and photo URL from the upload file web content link. This is gonna be appended in our sheet. Okay, we have it already. Photo URL, and okay, this is upload file, append to sheet, Telegram, send a message, chat ID, we have to use our chat ID from here, and text is gonna be done or saved. Append n8n attribution, you're gonna remove it, parse mode, HTML, and we have to choose the same bot that we did, so James chatbot. Let's see, and let's go to the chatbot, saved. Okay, we have it saved. So how we gonna search them then? Let's make the search part as well, and we are ready to go. Let's put a filter here so only I can use this agent. We're gonna put if. From the schema, we're gonna put the ID here. If the ID is equal to my ID, then it's gonna go. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Wrong type. Convert types, I said. Okay. True. And then this is gonna work. Okay. And when it's false, just do nothing. Okay. Let's put a switch here. If this is captions, if caption is exists, it's gonna be photo or it's gonna be save item. If caption does not exist, it's gonna be search request. Okay, convert types, because when we are sending a photo, it's gonna have caption, otherwise it's gonna be text. Let's see now. Then when this switch has a caption, so it means it's a photo. We're gonna say go and upload the file. When it's a search request, we're gonna have one more agent. Let's put this agent down here. When it's a search request, here we're gonna input. Let me make a search request now from Telegram. Where are the movies? Let me unpin this, execute the workflow, and let's search. And now you're gonna see it's a text. There you go. Where are the movies? Let me pin this, switch, search request. And now in the search request, we're gonna put the text. This is user search request. And we're gonna say you are a helpful search assistant that have access to our chat items database. Search the item, place and what is the item, and return all data to the user. Okay, and now we're gonna make a tool here, Google Sheets tool. We're gonna use the same account, get rows. We're gonna use James Sheet, and filters. We're not gonna use any filters. We're gonna just use get rows, and without any filter, so it's gonna get all of the rows and see what is our item. And we're not gonna use structured output parser, and we're gonna use the same ID. And for text, let's see if the agent is gonna find them. I will retrieve the data. Okay, but you have to use the tool, so set manually, retrieve data, retrieve items, places and photos from the sheet, from the database, let's say, because we have it written like this. Okay, set manually. So this is gonna be use this tool when user makes a search request. Always. So we're gonna say use these tools always when user makes a search request. Retrieve item places and photos from the database sheet and return them to the user. Okay, and we're gonna keep it like this. Let's run it again. And now it has to use the tool, yes. And now we have to get the answer. Movies are located under the big shelf and the link. And here we have HTML mode in order to get the links. Chat ID, and for text we're gonna put the output text here. And let's send it to our Telegram. Let's see. Okay, the movies are located under the big shelf on the right side. Here is the photo. And I am in another account. This is why I can't see it. So after the upload file, if we want to access them from every account, we can make share file, Google Drive share file, and by URL. And here on the upload file, let me go to the previous execution so I can add this one. Executions. Let's go to the previous one when the file was uploaded. This is the best way to go, otherwise I have to send another file. Okay, here is the file uploaded, copy to editor. No, so we have to upload it again. Okay, anyway, we can't upload it, so I have to send. This is how it works. Nothing wrong. Okay, I'm gonna send it again. I'm just gonna go and forward this one to chatbot. I'm gonna send, but let me click execute workflow, and I'm gonna send it. Why? Because we don't have any URL. Okay, let's put 2 and let's run it up to upload file. Execute step. Please resolve outstanding tasks. Okay, let's choose by URL. You know what? I know the URL. It was the web content link. So this is gonna be it. Because what n8n did with the last updates, you can see what are the usual outputs of the upload file node. So we can see, and we can without executing the node, we can get the web content link and throw it there. Okay, and we're gonna share the file. Let's execute the step and forward this again. Chatbot send. Okay, now it's uploading. It's gonna share, but agent is not gonna work. Maybe parameter value is invalid because it's a download link. Okay, which link we have to put? No, we're gonna use ID. Let's put the ID of the file. This is gonna be better. Okay, share file, bad request, permission type is required. Okay. So we have to put role. We're gonna put reader, anyone, and that's it. Yes, let's run it again. It's gonna share the file, run the agent, run the chat sheet. It's gonna append it and send it to us. Okay, now save. That's it. Let's now delete the first one and make a search now. Execute the workflow again and let's search. Where are the movies? Let's put it. Agent is gonna go get, and we're gonna receive the drive URL, and we're gonna be able to download the file, and we can see the file with the movies. Also we have where we have put them on the right side. This is gonna be it. So we are checking, because with my last video I saw a lot of Telegram triggers that went off, and someone was using my Telegram bot name, and they've been sending some messages, but they didn't know that I have a check here. So every time I am checking either the ID or my name and ID. So otherwise, if you don't do this check and you have an agent that you can talk with it, everyone can use your agent, and they're gonna blow your account and OpenAI credits and Google credits as well. So remember this, every time do this checkup, this security with your agents. And this is it. This is gonna be the workflow. I'm gonna upload this workflow to my free school communities. And when you're gonna use your Telegram agent, just make sure you have to click and make it active, and also go to the dot settings, and here on error workflow, just put your error handler. So whenever there is an error, you're gonna receive an email. As I covered in the video, my errors video, I'm gonna attach the video so you can click and watch it. And every workflow is gonna be running seamlessly, and if there is an error, we can handle them quickly. That's it. One more thing that I realized when I go to my phone and when I click the link, it is downloading the file. So in order to see the file without downloading all the files and everything when you're looking for something, just go to Append Sheet, and here on File, we have to put the web view link. So here, not web content link that is gonna download it, just web view link. And this link is gonna be the link that, let me copy and run it, that we're gonna see the image straight away without downloading it. So this is gonna be more efficient. And that's it. I'm going to arrange the shit. I have updated my inventory manager a bit. I have added this agent, and in this agent I have added also to read the rows, so it can read all of the items, all of the inventory. To delete a file, so if I remove some item from the inventory, it's gonna go and delete the file, delete the row as well. Because I have been putting, for example, 3-4 items in one box, and I have been putting them in one row. So if I update, let's say I've got the display port from the box, where are the other tools, it's gonna go and update the row, it's gonna remove the display ports from there and leave the rest. And I am using from the code note video that I've been showing this code note, because this agent now it's outputting a JSON, because I have requested this agent to return me the whole inventory, but they are around 36-38 rows, and Telegram gave me an error. It said the message is too long, so I have to split the messages. And I said to this agent in the system prompt, you are a helpful search assistant that have access to our shared items database, and return the messages as in JSON format items, because Telegram has character limits. So when the message will be long, just make 2 messages and return always JSON. You must return this JSON format for every answer, even if it's a 1 message only. It has to be JSON. I'm explicitly saying 3-4 times that it has to be JSON and this format. So when I put the dots, if the messages are too long, it's gonna put 3 messages. If the messages are too short, it's gonna put 1 message. And also I am not using require specific output format, because if I put output format, it's gonna use the parser there, and it is returning this JSON format, so it in curly brackets, and it is putting these items there. And with this code note, I'm just getting this JSON parsed. It's becoming message 1 and this and the message. So when I send, let me show in the executions so here, when I have a longer message, it's making them this full message. Look how long is it. It's making the message 1, 2 and 3, and after that I am aggregating them. In order for these 3 messages to be split out as items, I have to aggregate them first into a single list, so to become under this object data, message 1, 2, 3, and then I am using split out, and I'm splitting out this data object, and from the object it is splitting 3 items. Then it's sending me 3 messages one after another, and here you can see 3 messages without giving any errors, anything. And this is the important part, because if I didn't put the error trigger, I will not be able to recognize these errors, and I'm gonna go and make the photos, record and send everything, and when I come, you can see a lot of errors. Let me show you. You can see this type of errors, a lot of errors one after another, and the files are not saved because Telegram is not saving the files. If in this execution it didn't went to the upload file and go and the Google Drive uploaded it, we lose the file, we lose the photo. So this is why it's important. So when I got this, I just check my emails. Okay, I've got my errors. I went to the error, I saw that it was giving me an error that to log in again because my refresh token was expired. So I went in, I logged in, after that it started to work, but I saw that even if the image is not uploaded, at least I don't want to lose the items that I have explained where they are and what they contain. So I just, after that, I have edited the upload file note and come here to settings, and on error just click continue. and on share file as well. And after that, in this append row in sheet, I'm just using upload file web link because I'm using only for the photo URL. So if this is not available, item and the place are gonna be put in. They are gonna be already put in, and it's gonna send me the message. This was the improvement that I did, and also there can be some more improvement as well. If I send, for example, a video, it can upload the video and etc. But this worked for me because let me show you the sheet. This worked for me because, as you can see, I have my items placed in photo URL. These were the error items that I've lost their photos, but it's all right because I know where are they. So I've got them here, and everything is already written down here. So what I meant with the updating the thing, for example, here I have PC power supply and working keyboards. If I say I got the working keyboards from the plastic box that they were with the power supply, it's gonna come here and row 16. It's gonna take out the working keyboards and leave the power supply on. So I'm gonna know that the power supply is still there, but it's gonna take out the working keyboards. This is the logic that I made this update inventory. So let me check and demonstrate it. We're gonna see the sheet. Let me mark this, like let me just mark this row. Go to Telegram and say I have taken the working keyboards from the box where they were with the PC power supply. Let's see how it's gonna go, if it's gonna edit it or what it's gonna return me. Okay, as you can see, it taken out. I have updated the inventory. Row 16 now shows PC power supply and plastic. Okay, let me say, oh, I'm returning them because I'm not gonna use them. Oh, sorry, I am returning them there again because I will not use them. Let's see if it's gonna add them there as well. Okay, as you can see, it updated and added there again. And that's it. This is really good. Today it worked really well for me, and it wasn't a planned video or something. We just decided to sort out all of the items and shed here, and it worked well. I will include this template where you can go, Muro AI Automations Hub. This is the community. You can join for free down from the link down in the description. You just come to community, YouTube Video Vault, and here you can see the latest video that are uploaded. If you're gonna click on the video, and you can see the files just next to the video. You can download them from here, and you can watch the video in order to set them. Here I have the classroom, here the start here folder, YouTube Video Vault, where all of my videos that I'm uploading in YouTube, they are here with the files and resources. And here on automation resources and tools, I have uploaded all of the workflow and automation platforms that I know, generative and LLM tools, and I'm updating these every day. Image and generation models, video generation models, design and note-taking tools to connect with n8n. Everything that I know was self-hosted or cloud-hosted, free and paid tools, everything I'm adding here. So I'm just sharing information if you want to try new tools and build your stack. So this is the place. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what type of new AI agents or automations you want to see, and I'm gonna build them because I have finished my beginner's note series and now I'm starting to build more complex workflows, everything that we can use to get clients or to sell or for our businesses. And see you in the next one. Thank you.